how I love going on a search for a good backpack, which is why I've tested out the Bagsmart Faro Light Backpack 0.4 and as a bonus, the Bagsmart Faro Sling. Now, I've taken these bags out into different environments, and now I'm here to share my opinions on how well they perform, as well as break down the different features of each bag that showcase their versatility. This video is sponsored by Bagsmart. They did send me both of these bags. However, the opinions and experiences in my review are completely mine, as always. And with that, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna go over the backpack first and then cover the sling. But first, I wanna talk about the weight and durability of this. This bag is called the Faro Light for a reason. It's only 425 grams, which is less than 1 pound, making it feel like you're carrying nothing when it's empty. It's built from corduroy nylon, giving it a level 3 water-resistant fabric. And you also have a fleece-lined water-resistant valuables pocket right up here at the top. It's also built with nice and durable YKK zippers that open and close so smoothly, giving you the confidence you need to carry all of your gear. Moving on to comfort and breathability. So first of all, you have this back design, which is very soft and breathable. There's a sternum strap for extra support. You have adjustable shoulder straps, and you have these side buckles that are also adjustable if you need to tighten or loosen the main compartment of your bag. Inside, you have a removable back panel, so if you want an even lighter, more minimal setup, you can pop it out entirely. Removing that back panel also allows you to roll up your backpack completely, allowing you to pack it in your luggage and use it as an extra bag on your trip, or maybe even for souvenirs on the way home. And I found this backpack to be genuinely comfortable. Some backpacks I find myself constantly adjusting or just like it doesn't sit right. This one sat so perfectly right on my hips, like right above my hips on the back. And on my long hike and exploring the city, I didn't have any issues with comfort the entire day. Another fun feature of this backpack are the different color block colors that you can choose from. So you can go really bright with yellow and moss, a little bit more muted with purple and green. There's a light icy blue and gray option, or you can go more traditional like I did and stick with a black backpack, but still with a little bit of pops of color here and there throughout. And now to talk about my favorite part, which is the organization they give you in the bag. And this one is pretty good. Now in the main compartment, you do have a laptop sleeve that can fit up to a 14-inch laptop, as well as 2 mesh pockets for different accessories. You have a pretty decent sized front pocket right here, and I've already mentioned the fleece-lined valuables pocket up here at the top. You have 2 side mesh pockets that can each fit up to a 30-ounce water bottle or whatever quick access item you need while you're hiking or you're out running around the city. It does have a luggage pass-through strap right here on the back for travel days. And if you are someone who likes to travel with your backpack, this is a carry-on and under-seat approved. It does also have a couple of different external attachment points as well. You have these 2 loops down here at the bottom, as well as smaller loops here on the side where you can just quickly clip something onto your bag. And it's just a little bonus. I do love this rope style handle feature they have at the top for when you want to carry your bag by hand. I almost always carry a sling bag with me when I travel, and I really like the Faro Sling because it gives you the option to wear it as a crossbody, a waist bag, or even a handbag. And just like the backpack, they give you the rope detail here for the handle. The sling also provides a comfortable fit with this breathable mesh panel here on the back, the side wings, which can be tightened or loosened as needed, and the adjustable strap for enhanced comfort. As for organization, it has 1 main pocket in the back and 1 in the front, and each of these pockets come with 2 mesh pockets inside for additional smaller items. The pocket in front also comes with a keychain clip so you never lose your keys. And on the back side, there's a secret pocket right here that is RFID blocking, so perfect for your passport or ID whenever you're traveling. You also have this adjustable rope section down here at the bottom that can act as additional storage for maybe something smaller, but that's too big to fit inside the bag. The sling is perfect for a day out exploring when you want comfort, decent storage, but you maybe don't need like a full backpack. You just need your phone, your keys, maybe some snacks, and you're on your way. Overall, I really do like this backpack. I like the little pops of color, the different features, the organization is really good, it's comfortable, it's super lightweight, and it's a really good size for just like a daily bag or even a travel bag. It worked great when I was going on a hike, when I went to the beach, when I was exploring the city, so it really does have a lot of versatility and different uses for this bag. The sling was also really comfortable. It's a good size and has pretty decent storage. It is a bit more athletic looking, so maybe more specific case uses. But overall, I thought it was a really good sling bag with a nice design, and I really like the color blocking on this as well. The discount code to purchase either of these bags will be down in the description below, and in the comments let me know, what do you think about the Faro Light Backpack Point 4 and the Faro Sling? I'm Traveling Taylor, and as always, happy travels.